Great day mga idol! Welcome back to our another tutorial. Today we will be having a photo of the day editing again. For some people they are asking, why puro ka photo editing? Bebe, you can go to your insight and check what is fit for you, kung mataas ba yung rating ng photos mo, or yeah, of course we need to do all the things. We need to do reels, we need to do photo of the day, we need to use text, long form, though the long form and the reels are already put into one. At meron pang isa, I forgot, there should supposed to be five. One is the story. So naging apat na sila ngayon. Story, photo of the day, and then the text, reels, and videos. Dati-dati lima yon kasi yung reels and videos hiniwalay, but this time they put it into one. So tara, samahan niyo ako. First, open your editor and then grab the photo that you need to enhance. By the way, ginawa ko na to kanina. Then, always remember to click the HD so the photo will not be blurry. So, and then after that, go to aspect ratio, look for 9/16, and then go to the background. Pipili tayo ng hindi masyadong shocking background this time because may kulay na po yung ano natin. So, we choose this one. And then today we will be adding some stickers para naman maiba. Thanks to our mentor, Miss Domi Ann Herrera, for sharing this. Let's choose the cherry blossom thing. Iayos nyo lang po. Yan, ng ganyan. And then if you wanted to have a duplicate of it or another thing for the cherry blossom, you can just click this. There it goes. And then ayusin nyo din lang. I-rotate nyo. Ganyan. So, di ba? Yung very simple photo. It can be your photo, my dear. It can be your photo. You can put it like that if you want to put something, especially these days that malapit na yung Pasko. I'm so sorry, Muslim people don't celebrate Christmas, but we can probably make another thing for another holiday. Or let's make every day a holiday, right? Let's make our daily photo of the day special, right? So, yeah, anyways, there it goes. Yeah, you can just click left side button to zoom in. That's it. Yeah, print screen nyo lang. Ayan na. 'Di ba? Ang ganda. So, ayan siya. This is it. I was posting my top engager. So, instead of putting the old Facebook picture, you can delete it and then put your own self-made. I put it into posting like we did. We use scheduler. And here it goes. I usually put to my first photo of the day at 12:01 p.m. and there it goes. If you want to see it, you can just go to your professional dashboard, then click professional dashboard, click it, and it will transport you inside. Go for the content and then look for the calendar. And there it goes. And then hanapin natin siya. By the way, I already have posted videos and content. Hindi pa nga lang marami, but I'm a little bit one day advance. Kasi minsan meron tayong mga schedule na hindi maiwasan. Ayan na siya. There it goes. Ta-dang! Or beautiful, stunning photo of the day. And if nakatulong yung kaek-ekan natin, para naman maiba yung photos natin, try it. Wala namang masama, 'di ba? Instead of putting on the very simple things, why not enhance it? Madali lang naman. CapCut is free, so why not? Try mo. See you again